There are many different ways to incorporate videos into your course, like inserting a URL on the home page of the course or hyperlinking text to a video. Video and images can also be embedded so that a student doesn't need to click away to an external website. This may be helpful if you want an infographic to show, or if they need to watch a video on a page before continuing to read. You can embed media anywhere in Moodle that there is a text editor, so things like forums, quizzes, assignments, or text and media areas can all contain embedded videos or images. For this example, I will embed a video in a forum. In order to do this, have editing turned on and enter the Edit Settings option of the forum. Put your cursor where you want the video to embed. Expand your options in the text editor and select the Multimedia button. Copy and paste in the URL and enter a name for the video. Hit Insert Media, then Save and Display, and you will see your video among the text. If you need any assistance with embedding multimedia in your course, please feel free to reach out to the Office of Online and Distance Learning.